What's up YouTube? Dave the Phone Guy back again with another video, and this time I have the OnePlus wireless Z earphones. These are a little bit different than I normally review. These are actually attached via the wire. I was waiting a while for these. They actually forgot to send me these headphones with my original OnePlus 8 purchase. So anyways, I got them in today. I figured I'd unbox these suckers for you, take a look at them and see what we got here. So you know what I'm gonna do? Unbox, mic test, audio test. We're gonna do those things. So sit back, relax, grab some popcorn, and let's get started. Bloop! Here we go. On the box, it tells us that work charge, 10 minutes of charging gives you 10 hours of listening time. That's actually quite a bit. A full charge will give you 20 hours of listening. It has magnetic control, so simply clip the bullets together magnetically to turn them off and separate them to turn them on. So they'll click, that turns them off, you separate, back on. They are waterproof. Quick switch, so double press to switch between two devices. So we'll take a look at that. And it has a low latency mode, so that's gonna be good for gaming. And this only works on the OnePlus Fanatic mode, which is their gaming thing. So let's do it. What do we do now? What do we do? Where does it open? The top? At the bottom? The bottom. I like that. That was cool. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Oh, that's kind of cool. Everything's at the bottom. So we got our earbuds, our headphone here, USB-C charging. You got your volume controls. I'm sure that's answer and hang up. Probably access your assistant as well. Let's see what else we got in here. User guide and accessories. What accessories? USB A to C charger, that's one accessory. Additional ear tips, that's accessory number 2. Get open. Having some issues. All right, get started guide, blah, 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 blah. Let's see here. All right, we got it out. That was easy. Where's my button? That was easy. Has little magnets in here to keep them held together, and that's, again, how you power this off and on. Let's get it paired up. Pair new device. I'm gonna go ahead and separate. Boom, popped up. I like that. How it popped up made it super simple. My Google Pixel Bud 2s were supposed to do that, but it didn't. Smart answer, what do we want? We want autoplay, I'm gonna keep that on. Smart answer for Bluetooth. Incoming calls will automatically be answered while connected. I don't want anything automatically answered. I don't want it to speak the caller ID. We're good, we're set up. They definitely have a passive noise cancellation. Now that they are sealed in my ear, I can definitely tell that the noises around me are blocked. How do they look, guys? Give you both viewing angles. Oh. They feel okay. They feel good. I might need to adjust the tips a little bit. Let's go ahead and start YouTube music. I'm gonna jump into that top 100, see what's going on. And let's go. Can I raise the volume from here? Come here. Let's see. Yeah, there we are. Bass is coming up. Don't wanna miss that. Not bad, not bad. Okay, they sound pretty good. Bass is decent. Mids are kinda... Okay, how do we stop this? Can we stop it by pushing a button? I don't know. I don't know where the buttons are. Pushing the button stops it. That's good. The sound was decent. It wasn't bad. I mean, these are fairly inexpensive. Let's look it up. I don't actually know what the price was. These were free. OnePlus.com. Boom. What is the price? What is it? They're 50 bucks. So they sound really good for 50 bucks. They're waterproof. I mean, you can wear these while you're in the pool, taking a shower, working out, whatever. So you don't have to worry about the water damaging them. 50 bucks is pretty stellar. Excellent battery life. What's not to like? Well, let me answer that question. OnePlus, what's up? Why do we have a cord? It's time to step up your game, to get some true wireless stereo earphones, some TWS's. Let's do that, man. Come on. It's 2020. No more cord. Don't do that again, okay? All right, now, let's do the mic test. Let's do that, and then I'll tell you what I think, my final thoughts. Sure, let's do it. Let's pop these suckers back in. And start the recording. This is the sound of my voice with the OnePlus Wireless Z headphones. How does my voice sound? Are you able to hear me clearly? Well, let's start the ambient noise in the background. So, this is the sound of my voice with ambient noise in the background while using the OnePlus Wireless Z earphones. Are you able to hear my voice clearly over the ambient noise? Or is my voice breaking up? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments below. So what do I think? I think that they're very comfortable. I think that for 50 bucks, it's a stellar deal. I think that if you're looking for something that will not fall off, or if it does fall out of your ears, you don't have to worry about them flying around, check. If you want something that you don't have to worry about getting too wet, check. If you want something that has super long battery life, check. If you want something that sounds good, check. I mean, these check all the boxes. The only one that it doesn't check is being completely wireless. That's the box that I want checked with all of these other things. But this is what we have. Anyways, guys, I'm Dave the Phone Guy. If you liked this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. Talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.